Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am based right here in Washington, D.C. We help with all types of immigration applications, including employment-based cases, family-based cases, humanitarian cases. I come on here to kind of give you some information about immigration, teach you a little bit. Hopefully, you will leave here feeling a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more informed. If you'd like to have a confidential consultation, feel free to reach out to us. You can do that by calling 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Hi, Gora. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. Um, Great. So I'm here to just give you a little bit of information about immigration. Put your questions in here if I can answer them for you. If you have friends or family that are interested in immigration that want to learn more, feel free to share this post with them, like us, follow us on all our platforms so you know when I'm live, you know you can hop on. You'll be notified when I'm live. And of course, as I mentioned, share this with others if you think that they might be interested in joining our conversation. Okay? So we have a lot going on here in our office. I know you guys know that we recently moved. Chino says, do we text or call? You can do either, but the phone number is 703-348-1663. Hi, Boo. Nice to see you. Again, 703-348-1663. Oops. So we're streaming live on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube right now. We normally do Instagram, but for some reason it's having a hard time connecting to our streaming software, so we're not able to do that right now. But we're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram if you want to follow us there, and TikTok. So we're doing that. I will read out questions out loud since I know that some of you are on different platforms or watching from different places. You might not see the question being typed in here, but I'm happy to read it out loud and answer it for you. I have just a few questions today already that I want to go over. Again, if you have immigration questions, put them in here, put them into the chat. I will review them and read them out loud. I may not get to all of them, but keep joining me and I will get to yours and I'll do my best to get to as many as I can today. But I hope you guys are starting off with a great week. It's happy Monday. It's a lot of possibilities this week, guys. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? In terms of immigration, changing your immigration status? Are you going to take any steps to get towards a place where you can be in status, have that work authorization, perhaps have a green card, or maybe even citizenship, right? So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Hopefully, we can get you started on a path to a green card or citizenship if that's what you want, and that's what you might qualify for. Again, best place to reach us is by phone, 703-348-1663. Call or text 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States, even some that are abroad, with all types of immigration applications. Okay, so I want to start off with, can I file for a divorce after receiving a 2-year green card, right? So when you start off with a marriage-based green card, when you just get married and you're married under 2 years, the green card that you receive will only be for 2 years. So it's called a conditional green card. It means that you have all of the rights and all of the privileges as any green card holder, but in the end of 2 years, you're going to have to show immigration that you're still married, that the marriage is real and not just for immigration purposes. Okay? So let's say within that 2 years, not all marriages work out, right? So within that 2 years, let's say you get divorced. Okay, as long as we can still show that the marriage was real, not just for immigration purposes, that's going to be, maybe you lived together, maybe you took trips together, maybe you commingled finances, and the marriage ultimately broke down. That happens. You don't necessarily need to be in a marriage, obviously, for the full 2 years, excuse me. But you do want to have enough evidence to show immigration that you didn't enter into it for immigration purposes only. Okay, so you receive a 2-year conditional green card, you can get divorced, but you do want to have the proper proof to show that it wasn't just for immigration purposes, and you can qualify to apply for that 10-year green card on your own without the help of your spouse. If we can help you with that, don't hesitate to reach out, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule a consultation directly from the site. So our office is closed right now. Our phones are off. Our office is sort of closed. We have some folks still working here, of course, working on these applications. But if you want to go online, get on my calendar right away. We do have a couple of spots still left, I think, for this week on Wednesday. If you want to take a look and get scheduled, happy to meet with you by Zoom, by phone, or in person. We're in Washington, D.C. Recently moved to Washington, D.C. from Virginia, for those of you that have been following me for a bit. Great time in DC. We love our new office, and we can't wait to show it off to you guys as soon as you want to come in and see it. Okay, call us 703-348-1663, or go on our website or our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle to schedule your consultation. You can choose Zoom, phone, or in person. If you have questions, put them in here as well. Say hello to me if you've never joined me before. I'd love to know where you're watching from as well. All right, okay. What happens if you have a green card interview and you don't pass? Right? It doesn't go as well as you would like. So let's say you had a green card interview, any kind of green card, what happens? Okay, so if the interview didn't go as well and USCIS or immigration needs additional information, they may issue a request for evidence usually, right? Or they may issue what's called a notice of intent to deny. So basically, let's say you went to a marriage interview and the two of you did not give answers that were the same. So maybe you gave different addresses, or maybe they asked you, what did you do for so-and-so's birthday last year? And the two of you gave different answers, right? They may give you what's called a notice of intent to deny, which means that they don't believe that your marriage is real. And they might want more evidence to show that it is real, that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. That is usually what happens, right? They don't usually outright deny. They usually ask for more evidence, or they let you know, hey, can you provide, I'm likely to deny it. Can you provide additional evidence to help me make this decision in your favor? Obviously, you working with an attorney can help you very much with something like that, because if you don't really know what they're looking for, if you don't understand the questions that they're asking, what you provide might not actually meet the requirements, right? The good thing is, if you do get denied, in most cases you can appeal. So in most cases you can appeal that decision. Some cases, if it gets denied, it automatically gets put into immigration court, right? So that's something that you need to be aware of. So give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. If you would like to meet with me to talk about your immigration situation, your immigration options, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'm happy to do a consultation by Zoom, by phone, or in person. These consultations are directly with me. We'll go through your immigration history. We'll figure out what your goals are and see if there is a way, based on your experiences or your qualifications, to help you get there. Okay? Perfect. Hi, Rajendra. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. And Shiva started following us. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly somehow. Sorry about that if I did pronounce it incorrectly. Zoheb says, hello, Pratibha. Hi, Gurungu. Hi, Coffee Bee. Hi, Kira Grace. Hi, Christine. Hi, Sugdeep. Hi, Bella. Hi, Thug Life. Ahmed, Michael, Juliet. Thank you guys for joining. This is really cool. To have everyone join and try and be interested in U.S. immigration, be interested in how to be in the U.S. temporarily or permanently, or ultimately receive U.S. citizenship. So those are the types of things we are talking about right now. We specifically talked about green cards. We talk a lot about VAWA, which is a self-petition based on abuse. For many people, our most common clientele that qualify for VAWA are people that are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders. Oops. I think we had a TikTok malfunction, so apologies there, guys. and they apply for a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. Okay, so how long does it take to become a U.S. citizen, right? Once you're a green card holder, how long does it take to become a U.S. citizen? It takes 5 years or less, right? So depending on if you're married to a U.S. citizen or not, depending on how you receive that green card, if you're married to a U.S. citizen for at least 3 years, you'll if you're married to a U.S. citizen and that person has been a citizen for a bit of time, I think it's 3 years, you'll qualify to become a U.S. citizen in 3 years. If you get your green card through employment-based, humanitarian-based options, most humanitarian-based options like victims of crime, asylum, T visas, you can apply for citizenship. You can apply for a green card after 3 years of having like a T visa or a U visa, but you'll be a green card holder for 5 years before you qualify for citizenship. Okay, being a green card holder is pretty awesome. You can pretty much do most things except vote, right? You can't vote, and there may be some other jobs you might not qualify for example, with the U.S. government, especially here in D.C., they require U.S. citizens to apply, but for the most part, you as a permanent resident, as a green card holder, can do most things. Of course, you can't vote, but most other benefits are also overlap with being a U.S. citizen. So if you're interested in becoming a citizen, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can go online, schedule a consultation directly from our Facebook page or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. If you have friends or family that are on here or that you know of that might be interested in immigration, please share this post with them so they can follow us and like us on our social media platforms and know when I go live. Right now, I'm on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. I think I lost some TikTok folk on here. My phone looks like it died, so sorry, guys. But so nice to see you all on here, and hopefully I will see you for a consultation if you have some immigration concerns and want to have some one-on-one time to discuss them and figure out a path forward. Okay, hope you guys have a wonderful week, wonderful Monday. Call us, reach out to us. I'll be on again soon, and hopefully we will connect there. All right, thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Bye.